But I think one thing we figured out that today, whatever it might be, politics, whichever side of the political divide you might stand on, has gotten better of the Constitution Day, and that's a crying shame. All right, we're going to quickly move on. It's been one full year. One full year of the farm protest. November 26, 2020 was when it all started. It comes a full circle today with the 3 farm laws being repealed. Thousands of farmers began camping on various Delhi borders a year ago. They came all back today, not all, but quite a bit, back to celebrate. However, they're very clear. The laws might have gone, but the agitation will carry on.
1 year of farmers' protests. Exactly 365 days ago, Delhi's border points became the epicenter of farmer agitation. For the last 1 year, farmers have echoed one sentiment: repeal the farm laws. The unprecedented protest prompted the government to withdraw the laws.
मैं आपको, पूरे देश को ये बताने आया हूं कि हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है.
But the Kisan is still unrelenting. Exactly 1 year on, there's a sense of deja vu as thousands of farmers have marched towards Delhi.
The security personnel are on their toes. A sea of barricades can be seen at the Ghazipur borders. The cranes are in place, water cannons are in place. All this is being done to prevent any farmer from trying to cross over to the national capital. Rakesh Tiketh, however, is saying he is expecting a lot of farmers to turn up at the borders throughout the day to mark the first anniversary.
This was something that was a call given by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha as well, asking people to come here in large numbers. They want the people to come out and once again celebrate not just the win of the farmers, but at the same time in ensuring that the unity which has been throughout this entire 1 year. People are flocking here to Singhu border once again, clearly an indicative that the farmers' protest is not ended as of now.
The farmers have put forth a slew of other demands that they want the government to meet. And until then, they won't head home.
क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी मांग 3 बिलों को वापस करने की पूरी हो गई. आपने कोई भंगड़ा नहीं पाया, आपने कोई ढोल नहीं बजवाया, आपने कोई जलेबियां नहीं बांटी. अगर आप करते तो लगते भी इतनी बड़ी बात मांगी गई, जो और बातें रह गई हैं वो भी सरकार के दरवाजे हमेशा खुले रहते हैं.
जिनके 750 लोग मर जाते हैं वे भंगड़ा पाते हैं क्या? जिस दिन हमारे जवान वहाँ शहीद होते हैं तो सरकार भंगड़ा पाती है क्या? जो उसने काम करा वो ठीक करा, लेकिन जो एक कमेटी पहले बनी हुई उस कमेटी के चेयरमैन रहे, अध्यक्ष रहे, उसको भी पूरा कर दो, सारा इकट्ठा ही दे देंगे. धन्यवाद.
Farmers have 5 demands. They've made it clear that unless a law on MSP is made, they won't call off their agitation. They've also reiterated their demand for Electricity Amendment Bill to be withdrawn and cases against protesters withdrawn. Farmers have also said that stubble burning must be decriminalized and MOS home Ajay Mishra must be sacked for his son's alleged involvement in the Lakhimpur Kheri killings.
There are other 6 issues. Some issues we raised in the very beginning and some issues came during this our agitation. So all those issues should be addressed by the government by sitting with the farmers delegation.
The opposition has extended their full support to the farmers, backing the demand for a bill on MSP.
एमएसपी की जो उनकी डिमांड है वो बिल्कुल जायज है. इसके ऊपर हमने भी बहुत अध्ययन किया है. ये किसानों की जो मांगे हैं, अभी जो पेंडिंग मांगे हैं, हम उनका पूरा समर्थन करते हैं. टेनी साहब को तुरंत केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल से बर्खास्त किया जाना चाहिए. मुझे नहीं पता कि केंद्र सरकार की क्या मजबूरी है, कुछ तो मजबूरी होगी.
काले कानूनां नूं वापस करा के ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਾਡੇ अन्नदाता ਦੀ ਜਿੱਤ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਜਿੱਤ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨਮਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ मैं आही प्रार्थना करदी हां कि जल्द तो जल्द एक काले कानून कानूनी रूप च वापस होके साडे किसान खुशी-खुशी अपने घरां वापस जा सकन.
Farmers have also vowed to send 500 tractors to Parliament from Monday when the winter session begins. With Mohit Sharma at Singhu border, Aishwarya Paliwal at Ghazipur border and Amit Bharadwaj at Tikri border, Bureau Report, India Today.